Yo, peace and love, guys. Here we are. We're back. And we have today one of my favorite, probably my favorite SB Dunk low ever. It's the Sea Crystal. And the Sea Crystal actually came out in 2005, actually the high top version. And then they made a low top version for this guy named iShod Wear. And that's iShod. He skateboards, of course. He thrashes around, and I couldn't find any footage with him actually wearing the Sea Crystals, but they got his name on them, so they're his shoes. And Seafoam is not one of my favorite colors, but it's kind of like that Tiffany color, and it just works. It just works. So, love the sneaker. I did not think they were going to come out with this shoe in the UA world at all. When I first saw the shoe, I was like, really? And I told this particular gifter, I was like, hey, if you send me this pair, I'll work with you, without a doubt. So let's go ahead and open them up and take a look at what we got here. So right off the bat, it doesn't look like much. And lately, I've been falling in love with all these low-top plain dunks. I don't know what that little mark is. Probably from the box, whatever. But I don't remember that little orange tag that comes on it. That it wasn't on Comac's pair. And again, I think Comac's pair may have been like a used pair that we got for the low without the box top. But the materials are great. And like I was saying, I've been loving the low top dunks, like not even the SBs, just a regular low top dunks. And these look like a regular low top dunk. And even with the tongue, man, look at that toe box. It's perfect. Even with the tongue, it says Nike Korea. That's interesting. I couldn't find any information on this little booklet or why it's related to Korea, but who cares? They got white laces. I'll probably leave the black laces in. They look the best for me. Nike Check has that semi-tumbled look to it. It's perfect. But like I was saying, the tongue on these is supposed to be slim. And I've also never seen insoles like this. Comax does have this. I seen his and I was like, whoa. And I just never seen this insole. It's really nice, but I just wish they would put it in more dunks, down the line. And again, the tongue, I've been trying to say this. The tongue is made really thin because SB tongues are really poofy. These are made very low profile, and I do appreciate that. At first, I was like, oh, they didn't get the tongue right, but they did get the tongue right. So now this is Comac's pair, the 11 that we got off of eBay a couple years back. And for some reason, there's no box top. I don't know if that's how the seller was storing them at the time, but the boxes look identical. I can tell there's some font differences, but hey, it's just a box. So here's Comac's pair, and his has a little wear on it. We're going to pull out the gifted pair. And looking at the toe boxes, they look the same, except Comac's got a little bit of wear on his. And now you can see that's where it says iShod. Shout out to iShod. Make sure you thumbs up my video, iShod. And I'm looking at everything here. It's really hard to nitpick because it's such a basic shoe. Okay, there's some differences. Comac is still on the right, and his looks a little bit more fuzzy. Okay, there it doesn't. And yeah, now I look at it, if you look at the Nike swooshes there, just look at where they're positioned. The positioning mine's a little lower on the 9.5, so look at the stitching. The stitching looks a little tighter on the right, I'm not even gonna lie. I mean, it does. And I'm sure they didn't use the same materials that they had back in 2016 on this particular pair, and I'm not too worried about it, but it's really nice that I have another pair, an actual retail pair that we think to compare this to. It's amazing. To me, it's just amazing I have a pair. So definitely shout out to Yes Yeezy for getting these to me in a timely manner. I can't say enough how much I love the sneaker. Now, under the black light, yeah, there were some discrepancies, I'll say. And I'll let you guys see for yourself. There were some pen markings, pencil markings, whatever they want to call it. The markings are there. Does it hurt my heart? Not really. I mean, it's just worth pointing out because that's what I do here on the channel. I show you guys the black light, and I know some people don't actually care about it. They're like, oh, you got your little black lights and all that stuff. What does that prove? It doesn't prove much, but it just shows little details that, if you might be at the club or the mini golf or something like that, they'd be like, yo, man, what is that on your shoe? Like, not even trying to call you out, but they'd be like, your shoe's glowing. There's some writing on your shoe. Did your kid do that or something like that? Like, what's with that writing on your shoe? But as you can see, there's nothing on the retail pair. So let's just go ahead and move on to the on feet. Are you? Did you?
No, I'm not on Facebook. I'm on IG.
No, I'm serious. Like, are you back on the apps, or are you just like?
Oh, are you talking the dating apps?
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's okay if you are.
I'm not. Get out of the shot.
For real?
A little bit.
Let me put it on auto.
I can't even.
Are we good? Can you see?
I can see you. Actually,
like,
yeah. It's just bright. Yes, we're good now.
Are you sure we're
actually,
like 100%
Yes,
good now?
we're 100%.
Am I visible? Because I can't see.
You are visible. Okay. It's because of the sun.
What's up, guys? By the way, it's about 90 degrees in this car, and
feels like Florida.
We're short on time, so we got to do a couple pairs, couple on foots, and it's really nice. It's just really hot, and we got some walking to do. So, any words for the people, sir?
Shout out to all my peeps in Florida.
Yeah, we might have to get something to drink too. Non-alcoholic. Right?
Exactly.
For you at least.
For me.
For you at least.
Yeah.
Me too. You know, I'm taking it easy.
Are you?
Of course.
I'm proud of you.
What do you mean? I don't have a problem. I'm proud of me like I got a problem or something like that. Come on, guys. You hear this, guys?
Need that little backing.
The shoehorn thing I had?
The shoehorn, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
All right.
You good?
I got the right one on.
We're going to be Sea Crystal Brothers.
Yeah, we are. Hook me up. They're really smart. I've seen them like hop on like a thread, like from the spider.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they'll just kind of like, you know how the wind will blow like a spider web? Yeah. And they'll just like, and they'll fly right on here.
Oh, and then you flying us?
Yeah, but they're not gonna hurt us. Damn, these things are everywhere. Probably look like titans to him.
So we are still mural hunting, but the problem is that we keep stopping and we keep taking pictures. Like, there's so many things to stop and take pictures for, because one of the things about content creating, like, this looks really cool. No trespassing, no loitering. No, let's keep pushing. I don't know what happened to Combs. He always gets these calls every now and then. It'll just like change his whole mood. We're still looking for a mural. This one's okay. That's okay. That's not bad, but I don't think I'm not that tall, so I can't do anything with that. We're just trying to find somewhere else to shoot real quick. I actually have to do 3 pairs of shoes, 450s. I got to do these Sea Crystals. They're waiting on that video. Sorry, yes, Easy. I love you guys. Love you guys. Those P-Rods. All today while I'm here, because if I don't do it today, it's going to be a lot of work come next week, and I have like 5 to 10 more pairs coming in next week, so I'm not trying to be behind. You know what I'm saying? I just want to stay ahead of the game. That's really it. So where's the mural?
Oh, we gotta walk.
Like, more walking?
Yeah, my dad called. I just had to take it real quick.
Your dad called? All right, so we still don't really know where we're going, but we're going to figure it out. He obviously knows where we're going. Right?
Yeah, I'm pretty confident.
This is it. This is it right here. You see it?
Yes, right there.
I see it. We can actually get some work done. And I got to stop taking all those pictures, man. We killed like almost an hour. Oh, I forgot. Do we have any time on the meter?
Yeah, we're good.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Check.
Please check.
Yeah, it's only 4:30.
How much time do we have left?
We got like an hour and 15 minutes.
T-minus an hour and 15 minutes. Let's get this. That looks dope. That was dope. I like that shot, dude. That was dope. Yeah. Like that whole background thing we just did, kind of looking like a little baby New York City, kind of not really. But that was dope, though. I like that. The mural's dope.
Yeah, shout out to Kim.
Shout out to Kim.
Carlino.
Carlino?
Yeah.
Kim Carlino. How do they get that up there? Is that like spray paint? Is that paint? I don't really know murals like that. Explain that to me, please, sir.
Honestly, this isn't my department. It's maybe a mixture of both.
Kim?
This looks painted.
Feel free to drop something in the comments, Kim, if you're watching this. So I'm pretty much done. I'm done with this mural. We need to get the P-Rods on next.
Yes.
So shout out to the gifters for the Sea Crystals. I love the shoes.
Follow me on IG. We should go get the other shoe because it's looking kind of dreary.
Yes.
I'm getting thirsty and time's just... I don't even know how the Nuggets are doing. I was supposed to be home to watch the Nuggets game. That was a real deal.
Aww.
I know.
I just want to take one quick picture of this mural before we break off.
With you?
Well, just by itself.
Oh yeah, Comac does actually post on his IG now. I forget about that. There was a time where Comac just didn't post. He just didn't do it. Now look at him. My guy's grown up so much.
I gotta get back further.
Sea crystals are actually my favorite low top SB. Besides the Freddies. I know. We were gonna start longboarding and skateboarding like 2 years ago when we started doing the YouTube thing. And he ended up with sea crystals, and I ended up with those black and red pairs. And I always thought his were way cooler. He got his, I think, maybe used for close to $140. Now the sea crystals retail are like $500 to $600. Need to get those P-rods on, guys. Go ahead and like and thumbs up and all that good stuff too. It's hot out here. Dude, get that off of me. Get that off of me.
Here, just relocate him. Relocate
Get
him.
him off.
You gotta relocate him.
Get that off.
You gotta relocate him. It's bad energy to kill him.
He bit me.
No. He's okay. See? Just put him right back where he was.